Sino ka dyan? Sabihin mo kung saan siya dalahin. 3:52 a.m. na. So, bala ko talaga umalis ng 4 a.m. Mag-book na lang ako ng DD or Uber papuntang airport. Sige mamaya. Nakalabas na ako ng unit. Yun! Ito pa. Kasi di talaga ako nakatulog. So, sarang makatulog ako kahit sa aeroplano. Dito na ako. Ito pa ako, girl. Di nagre-reply yung mga kasama ko. Baka solo trip ah. Solo trip? Ano na, 4:44. Hindi ko alam kung trip lang yung dalawa. Pero inaantok na ako. Anong gagawin? Iwan natin. Hulaan nyo kung sinong mga kagigising lang. Ang tindi talaga. Pasok na ako. Airport charm. Update. Hindi na sila pinapasok. Sino? Guys, grabe yung pila. Madaming tao. So, ibig sabihin, masarap.
Ethiopia for a cappuccino with 1 sugar. And then the Nicaragua for a flat one. Can I just get a receipt? Hindi naman.
First coffee shop done.
May tao ko lang lakad-lakad. Wala akong sa kanya yung solo room. 1, 2, 3. Sa iyo.
Out for lunch ang mga trentahin. Newtown 5. Which is which? We don't know.
Which is akala.
Which is, ayan na. Pangit naman ng tunog.
Ano daw siya?
Lulu and me, cheesecakes.
Hindi nila yung kawawa. Okay lang din yun siya.
I had an old time song, baby, we were kissing for the whole ride home. Laying, making wishes, it was all night long. You told me you loved me and I sang this song. I sang this song. I had an old time song.
59.
Ano to?
How much was it?
One time. Nakaka-stress tong station nila dito. Hindi ko maintindihan. Diyan tayo bumaba mamaya. Mga hindi sana yung mga taga-Sydney ba? Guys, nakababa na kami. Papunta na kami sa Brighton Beach bathing boxes. Kasi ang pupuntaan namin yan. Sumusunod sa atin. Mami, may sumusunod sa atin. Sino siya? Mami! Nakakain. Higal to, oh. Natakbo mo.
Well, you don't have to tell me if you're meeting up with someone else.
Para akong...
Yeah, 'cause that would really break my heart and destroy my confidence. Yeah, even though I played it cool, my head's on fire. So if you're gonna let me down, please be nice about it.
Pauwi na kami. Pack up na. Ang ganda niya pag video, ah. Oh. Guys, pang bukas na namin to.
Papunta na po yung direct lang. Ilang hindi ko kaya yun. Ay, may pang-minta. Gusto ko siniserve mo.
Ah, kami.
Kasi nag-a-apply.
Bawiin daw ni TJ yung yakap. Pag binalikan mo daw siya, nang tagos sa puso mo si TJ. Kasi yung he really, you know.
Kaya ako mag-rebook. Kaya yun, naintindihan. Wala na, pagod ka.
First day ends here. Di na kami nakapag-good measure, pero nakahanap kami ng good friends. Yes! Bukas ka na, good measure.
Ano na sa cellphone mo? Ano nakalagay? Aray ko yung ano ba kasi ko?
Leftover.
Oh my gosh. Ay. Umuulan.
On time naman dumating si Tropa.
Oh, chocolate factory.
Dito kami sa Chocolate Factory.
Thank you.
White.
Ito yung dark. Ganda to. Ha? Para na tayo na toothpaste. Yes.
20分钟之后。
Poplan, find rice. Rice.
$8?
Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Oh, partner mo sa rice mo sa... Taas mo naman. Kuala, baba kayo. Pababain mo nga.
Wait. Kuwala yan. Mukha lang yan, hindi.
Nakikita namin.
Parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in another car seat. Pocket spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. Manic pixie dream girl right beside me. Said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets. I doubt she'll ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know? I'll never know. We were nothing alike, and I kinda like that. We're from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes I said such a but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight,
Free Hampton.
Yung pinupuntahan kasi namin, parang mga suburb. So, hindi yun.
Good morning. Good morning, Good morning, Melbourne. This is our last day.
Si Aso lang masyado pila.
One blueberry bunny.
Halika na.
Up stairways and under ramps, and for Melbourne Central Memorial Shopping Centres.
mahal mo. Mahal. Mahal, kaya
Pero ang
masarap.
sarap. Hala. Ay. Cheers. Haba ah.
Nakakain ka.
Ay wala. Hindi. Pero mukhang masarap ah. Hala. Sko po.
Mga person.